In this tutorial, I'll be talking about the swap function. So we have, just write the logic in the swap function. We have an array 1, 2, 3, 4. So to swap this value to this and this to this, the first thing that is likely to come to your mind is writing a statement like this: array $j should be array $i, and array $i should be the same thing as array $j. Well, this is wrong. But why? Let us look at these statements and try to move the values in the array. In the first statement, you're assigning array $i into $j. You remember, this is I and this is j. So what you are doing is having something like this. I, which is 1, is moving into j. So you have something like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, because you are assigning I into j. And the last step is you're assigning $j into I. This is $j into I. So it's like you're also moving 1 into 1. So your final output is this: 1, 2, 3, 1, which is wrong. So, but how do we solve this? To solve it, we need to introduce a temporary variable. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to introduce a temporary variable to store the value of $j. So it's like you're having temporary variable. In this case, it will be 4 because this is the value. And after that, you can now assign your $j to be array of $i. That is, you are moving 1 into this position. So what you have is this. This is now 1. This is 1, 2, 3. And after doing this, you can now reassign your array $i to be, this value is already lost, so but we kept it before assigning $i to it. So this should be temporary value. So instead of having 1 here, we have the temporary value, which is 4. So this is now 4. So this is what we actually want. With this, we successfully swapped this value, that is the 1 here, to this value, and this 4 to this value. So this is actually what we want. So let us write it in code. So we have our function swap to be, is taking in the array and is taking in the 2 positions. So we can have something like first position, and also we have second position. So we introduce a temporary value to store the value of the second position. Now we can assign our second position. We have $second position to be the first position. And And after this, we can now assign our first position. We have $first position to be the temporary value. And that's all. So we only need to return the array, that is the swapped array. So this is how to write the swap function. So now we've completed the reverse array function because we've written the swap function. So now let us test our solution. So we have reversed array should be, let's call the function. We have reverse array and the input is an array, so we have array of something like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as we did in the previous example, let us echo the results. So we have reversed array. So let's check the results in the browser. The output is just array. The reason is that echo is used to print out simple data type like integer, string, and so on. But for a complex data type like integer, we use another function. This is a PHP inbuilt function. So instead of echo, we use print. So this is useful. So this is used to print an array. So you have print underscore r. So let us check the value now. So you can see it is an array. This is the indexes. You have 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can see that index 0 is now 4, index 1 is now 3, index 2 is 2, and index 3 is 1. So the array has been successfully reversed. You can add more value, 5, 6. Let's check the result. So you can see it has successfully reversed the array. So it means our function is working properly. So another thing we can do is to write our custom print r. We can print out an array. We can write a function to print out an array. So I'll be doing that in the next tutorial.